Nikhil.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, dear Nikhil. Happy birthday to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you, dear Nikhil. Happy birthday to you. From old friends and you. From old friends and you. From old friends and you, dear Nikhil. Happy birthday to you. Happy greetings to you. Happy greetings to you. Happy greetings to you, dear Nikhil. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ ಅವಳೇ ದೈವವು.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಹರುಷವು,
ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ ಅವಳೇ ದೈವವು.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ನಲು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರೆತೆವು,
ಎಂದು ಕಾಣದ ಸುಖವ ಕಂಡೆವು.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಹರುಷವು,
ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ ಅವಳೇ ದೈವವು.
ನದಿಯು ಸೇರಿ ಹರಿದು ಬಲ್ದರೇನು, ಜನರು ಅದರ ರಭಸ ಕಂಡು ಕಡಲು ಎನ್ನುವರೇನು.
ಕೋಟಿ ದೇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿ ನಿಂತರೇನು, ತಾಯಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ತೋರಿ ಸನಿಹ ಬರುವರೇನು. ಎಂದೋ ಕನಸಲಿ ಕಂಡ ನೆನಪಿದೆ, ಇಂದು ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾಣೋ ಆಸೆಯ ತುಂಬಿದೆ.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಹರ್ಷವು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ ಅವಳೇ ದೈವವು.
Many schools, and we had to face so many difficulties in attending to. These schools, and particularly the teachers, they were very kind to us, and very funny occasions were also there during the student life. One boy was asked to explain about the camel. ಅವನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಒಂಟೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳು. ಒಂಟೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವರ್ಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ದ, want is a wood animal with a gunt on its bend. Want is a wood animal with a gunt on its bend. That was the explanation he gave. And peculiar circumstances are there. Different students are there. One student was asked to form a sentence. If I were, and more than Barbato, you write a sentence on this subject. If I were a king, I would have 5 wives or something. In good old days, if I were Gandhari, I would have given birth to 100 children. That was how. These are all funny occasions. These are not real things which are going on. But still, during the student things used to come to our knowledge, and we used to sit in the last bench, particularly in the department. My headmaster, today I remember, you should ask something like this, or you, castor oil face, get up! Because the complexion in good old days, we were not using powders, all these things. Our you, castor oil face, get up! I was a part of about 15 years. One Sunday, period school good old days. I period in the brother Shukruara, Kalavilla, Masidi, ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ವೈಯರ್ ಲೇಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಸಮಾಧಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ನಿನಗೇನಿದೆ ಕೆಲಸ ನನಗೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಸಮಾಧಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗೋದು ಮಸೀದಿ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಯು ವಾಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮೀ ಸರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ನ್ಯೂಲಿ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯದೊಳಗೆ ಅದು ಅವ್ರು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಭಾವದಿಂದ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಠ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದರು ಪದ್ಯ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅವನು ಪದ್ಯ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದ್ದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಈಗಲೇ ಸೀಳಿ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ನಿನ್ನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
Tell you the real fact, Vichitra Manava. I had named my name as a Vichitra Manava in that book. I had written 13 books, I had not opened it because if I opened it, everybody will cry, everybody will weep, and everybody will think that the world is ashes. And that bold intention and that bold mind, I had written those books with heartfully. First mind. Second point, death is natural for every man. Death is natural for every man. It's a bubble on water. At any moment we can go away without information or without informing anybody. But every minute is gold. Every 1 hour I value 1,000 rupees. You may not feel that this is a peculiar and a surprised man. But I will give value for 1 hour 1,000 rupees. That's only my history.
Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know now how much I love you.
But one thing you can,
Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but I never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now, I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. It won't change my whole life, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, our love will lead a way for us, like the guiding star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too.